Hi everyone, welcome back to another challenge video. Today we are taking a quick look at the CQ-K557 straight key and practice oscillator. First, let's see what's inside. You'll get one practice oscillator, one audio cable, and one 3.5 to 6.5mm cable adapter. Next, here's the key itself, pretty simple and clean. The first thing you'll notice is the mahogany base. It feels nice, looks good, and the rubber pads at the bottom keep it from sliding around. It's also really lightweight, only about 230 grams, so carrying it around is easy. On the top right, there's a small on or off switch. When it's off, the key doesn't make any sound, which is perfect for connecting directly to a radio. The key has a built-in oscillator for practice. You just need to pop in a coin cell battery, and you are ready to go, no cables needed. Press the key, and you'll get a red light and a clear tone, which makes it great for learning Morse code anywhere. There are also two sliver knobs. The upper one adjusts the keying amplitude, and the lower one adjusts the spring tension. They only affect the feel of the key, not the volume or tone. If you want to hook it up to a radio, you can plug it in directly without a battery. And if your radio uses a 6.5mm connector, a 3.5 to 6.5 adapter works perfectly. So, that's the CQ-K557. Simple, portable, and easy to use for both practice and real CW operation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. 73.